Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhan Pabi. So ito po yung napanulunan ni Sir Michael. Yan, so may previous po yan na cup, mug. Yan, pasubscribe na rin po yung ating Facebook and YouTube channel. Mug and cup. Yan, so may kasamang manual. Okay, box strap para sa malalaking kamay. And then pin. Then previous natin, ayan, nakasamang sticker. So ito po yung kanyang unit. WE Gen 4 color black, made in Taiwan. Complete markings. So may BBS and gas na po yan. 0.23. So test fire natin para kay Sir Michael. Expire. So nag-slide lock na po siya. Ibig sabihin, wala na po siyang BBS or bala. So una, syempre release natin yung magazine. Ganyan po siya pang nag-slide lock. So release natin yung slide. So first the trigger, then hammer down. So always trigger finger out, toy only. Airsoft gas blowback pistol. Bagong bago. WE Glock 34 Gen 4 color black. Ready to ship na po, Sir Michael. Thank you.